say, I think that was right around the same spot. So it's like, oh, there's, he came back for it. Nice. All right, we have made our way back to the Castleman River. We're gonna walk down a little bit further downstream than I did last time. So just so I can cover a little bit more water and then start walking back upstream. Water levels are a lot lower than last time. So I don't know how that's going to affect the fishing. I don't know how many of these deep holes are still going to be here. But yeah, we're going to walk down a little bit further here, find a spot to jump in, see if we can pull up. This looks like somewhat of a path here. I think this is my best bet. All right, we made it. Right at this little island, which is where I wanted to come down at. Beautiful river. Not very deep right here. Water's definitely colder than it was last time I was here too. Significantly colder. It's gonna make it harder to fish. I saw some nice spots when I was walking down further up. So we'll just do that. There we go. Figured there'd be one by that rock. Not bad, not a bad first one. Smallmouth. Oh yeah, not a bad one at all to start off with. Not a bad starter. It's good, they're biting. I was a little bit worried about that. Let him go. Go. Finally, another one. Not a bad one either. Not a bad one, no. It's about the same size as that first one. So I think that was right around the same spot. So it's like, oh, there's he came back for it. Nice. Yes, I know. I can see the spot where I'm getting them out of, so hopefully there's more over there. Other one. There we go. Saw him. He came. He's a small one, but came right from underneath that rock over there. Just a little guy. Let's switch up to the fluke. Yeah, let's see if this will get them excited. Yeah, I got one. He took it. I don't even think he realized he was hooked. On a really slippery rock right now. Here we go. Got him on the fluke. That's good, the fluke's working. There we go. Let's say there's got to be a fish over there. Nice little guy. We will take him. another one. About the same size as that last one. I found a nice little hole here. That's good. There's that one. Not going to be any fish here, but this is a pretty cool little spot. Bunch of little waterfalls. There we go. Finally got a little one to bite. Just a little one, but we'll take them. It's the first one we got in a while. It's definitely slowed down. Yeah, we'll take them. A little one. Let them go.